Alright, we are now about to get back on the 8-hanger project. Yep. This is where we're starting out. Let's get at it. Round 2. Are you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
If you'll remember, this is my nephew Brendan. He was here, well, before the winter hit.
Yeah.
And we tried to make some pattern welded steel, some layered steel, Damascus, or whatever you want to call it. And how did it turn out?
They fell apart.
It fell apart, yeah. So what we're going to do this time, what did we learn last time?
Learn that our welds have to be good or else it'll fall apart later, because our welds...
Your initial weld, your first little weld, you got to get that sparkling yellow hot. Sparkling hot.
Also, we kind of dropped it whenever
we dropped it.
About 6 or 7 times.
We dropped it.
I dropped it.
You dropped it. Yeah. So we need to practice a little bit more with our tongs before we get our heat going, right?
Yeah.
Hit something, grab it, hit it, figure out what we're going to do to make it so that we don't drop it again, because that first trip from the heat
is the most important.
Is the most important. There we go.
You got to set it in.
Yeah. So we're going to get it set and make sure you're as uncomfortable as possible while we're doing it, and enjoy ourselves. So what are you doing now?
I am about to cut a bunch of these metals to size so that we can weld them together.
Yes, you're going to make a billet.
Billet.
A billet. Yes.
A billet.
Exactly what you said.
That is what I said, right?
Yes. All right.
Some would say our heroes fade away and leave us with the song. They're the ones that guide us through the day, made me feel like we belong. And they wrote the lines that told the times. The way they live is the way they died. So we live by the words, simple man and free bird. And all these things that I've learned, it taught me through melody and the story of the world. We may go, but their words stay the same. We meet them in our dawn. They took me through all my darkest days, and now it's gone. Here I am today. The words pay the way. The melody moves me, and the bass line, it soothes me.
All right. You see, I got some ugly welding done. And I got the forks put together now, and I've cut my braces, and it's going to look something like that. Gonna look pretty cool, I think. But now I just gotta grind the bevel here and here, so that I can weld that on. That's where we're at, front end.
So we live by the words, simple man and free bird. And all these things that I've learned, it taught me through melody and the story of the world.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be pretty good. Better than last time for sure.
So we didn't drop it.
Nope.
Welded it. The initial weld happened. We only had 2 heats on that before we felt it was welded, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right. Let's look at it. Let's look at it real close. See if the camera can see your handiwork.
The other side looks better.
Probably see it a little bit. Anyway, yeah. My camera sucks. So I apologize, but yeah, Miss Brenda. Yeah. See them layers of that metal in there for sure. Yeah, you can see right on the tip there. You can see it, guys. I can see it in my camera anyway. Yep. So, you've been grinding on it for how long?
An hour and a half, I guess.
Yeah, longer than that. We had 8 already.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's been about 4 hours. Alright, yeah, keep going at it, bud. And where I'm at is I'm about to make some of the back part of the mini bike frame, the ape hanger. I've got front forks made, and I've got a plan for that. Don't be concerned about how ugly it is, because you know we like ugly. Right there's the ugliest thing you'll ever see. Yep. This is all stainless steel too, except for a yoke and this and that. So I have an idea for all this. This is going to be fixed up. But yeah, that's stainless steel, and that's stainless. The frame is stainless. And now, so we've got our down tube, and we've just got to make our brace, and then place for a jack shaft, and chain, and then the back part. This is the part I'm making right here. Or this, it'll probably be right here. But yeah, go around there and, yep, ape hanger. We got a little bit of progress. We want it to be ugly. So yeah, we're on the right track. Alright, talk to y'all later. Holy cow, man, what a day, what a day. It's Saturday. Man, I got so much stuff done, it's ridiculous. I got a branding iron done for a buddy of mine. I got the front forks done for the ape hanger bike. My nephew got the forge out, and he decided he was going to make some Damascus, and he made a nice looking blade. You know, we've still got some grinding skills to work on, but yeah, it's welded. So, how's that? Man, oh man, Saturday evening, Sunday dinner's tomorrow. I think we're gonna make some salmon croquettes. Man, my daddy used to make a great recipe. We're gonna make them like Daddy used to make. Been cooking a lot of Mom's recipes lately. It's a hit up one of Dad's. All right, y'all have a good one.
Little doggy.